Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can generate a video with image using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use PixVerse AI. So first of all, you can visit this website app.pixverse.ai, and then you're going to generate a video here with your image. You can describe the content that you want to create, and you can upload an image as a reference. Okay, I'm going to upload my image. For example, I'm going to use this one. Okay, then you can add your prompt here. I have just already created my prompt, so I'm just going to paste my prompt here. I'm going to make this a very fly. Okay, and then we can click on create. As you can see that it needs 20 credits to create a video with image, and when you have signed into this website, you will get 60 credits for free for daily credits. Okay, this is my current credits, and wait, I'm going to go back. Okay, and let's create or generate video. Okay, and hold on, it's loading. Okay, my video is ready guys, and let's see how it looks. And wow, it's so cool. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.